Real wealth shields, they're made of physical gold and silver in your possession. Because if you don't hold it, you don't own it, and your perception is irrelevant in a court of law. So that's why you want to hold it, you want to own it.
Investors in precious metals and many other asset classes are understandably tired of the constant fluctuations in today's economy. Many people worry about problems with the stock market and worry every time they see their assets lose value. These investors often worry about such shocks and look to physical gold, silver, and other precious metals as a possible response to hedge against asset volatility and inflation. Unlike paper money and stocks, physical precious metals like gold and silver are resistant to inflation because they derive their value differently from paper money. In today's video, we will tell you why Lynette Zang says that silver and gold will skyrocket sooner than we think. But before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon to never miss an update. We always feel that we want to have most of our wealth in an undervalued asset that is in a long-term positive trend, and least of our wealth in an overvalued asset or instrument that is in a long-term negative trend. The real trend we are facing is the death of fiat money. Let it be the dollar, and certainly the dollar as the global reserve currency, that is going away. This has been going on since the year 2000, but it is fiat money. Everything disappears, and we are moving towards a new social, financial, and economic system. That's what we want to go in with. And in the meantime, we also want to secure our food, our water, our energy, our security, our ability to barter, the preservation of wealth, our community, and our shelter. We believe in the historic precedent that there very well could be an outright confiscation, all that price manipulation, because we know that the rising price of gold is an indication of a failed currency. All these price manipulations that you see are meant to keep you out of the physical market, because once you're here, according to the Bank for International Settlements, it really exists. You avoid political risk, geopolitical risk, and there are tons of them out there right now. There is so much risk. So get to safety. You cannot have physical precious metals in a regular individual retirement account, IRA. You can do Bitcoin in an IRA. You can do real estate. You can do everything else, but you can't do that. However, there are IRAs specifically designed for precious metals that allow you to invest for your retirement using gold, silver, and other precious metals. That's why you want to hold it. You want to own it. So you have to be your own central banker. You have to be your own politician. You have to make sure that you have the capacity within the community to be as independent and self-sufficient as possible, because nothing they do is in your best interest. We vote with our wallets. If you vote to stay in the system, if you own stocks and bonds and even a lot of cash, that's still our tool of barter. We must have a part of it, but if you have these IRAs and you have these accounts and you're in a retirement plan, that's your vote. And you have to understand that it is your vote. But being proactive, becoming your own central banker, putting in your food, water, energy, security, barterability, wealth preservation, community, and shelter, that's your vote. So if you do it, that's your vote. And you're not going to be as greatly impacted as you are if everything is inside of the system.
We're shifting into a new social, financial, and economic system. What do you want to enter that new system with? This is what I want to enter it with. And in the meantime, I want to secure my food, water, energy, security, barterability, wealth preservation, community, and shelter. Please get it done.
That's all for today. Let us know your views in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video before leaving.